Hi, welcome back. As well as all the information in the class profile page, StepsWeb provides you with a number of printable reports. We're going to introduce you to these in this module. On the Manage Classes page, we select the class we want to look at. Then we click the Reports button at the top, and this opens up a number of pages. First, we'll look at class spelling ages. Here you can see two date columns. These show you each student's level at these dates and the progress they made in between. We can easily add dates. I click the plus button, then type in the date that I want, and click Add. You can imagine that this might represent the beginning of the school year, the middle of the school year, and the end of the school year. This report can be exported to a CSV file. Now we'll go in again and look at class progression. This shows me where each of the students is in the course. The purple is what they've done. The light purple shows what the student has done in the chosen time frame. For example, if we look at Aaron Foley, we can see that he was placed at the beginning of level 4, and now he's on level 7. We can click on any square to see the detail behind it. I can now see that Aaron is now on Unit 1B. And if I click on that square, I can see he's done the first two activities. I can also click the Logs button to see his logs for those activities. This report can be printed. Now we'll look at class accuracy, which can also be printed. This is a particularly useful one because it gives you percentage accuracy for reading and spelling, comprehension and language, phonic knowledge and skills, and where applicable, phonological awareness. Each category gives you percentage accuracy for the last 12 months versus the last 30 days, or your chosen time frame. A box will have a red background if the score was below the 85% accuracy setting for your class. Again, we can click on a square to see the information behind it, including every error. The last printable in this section is not actually a report, but a record of all your student names, usernames, and passwords. This makes it easy for teachers to check without having to go into each student's individual profile. So now we've covered the printable reports. You can see that you can access quite a lot of individual student information without having to go out of Managed Classes and into Managed Students. If you're using the reports consistently, it can also save you a huge amount of time when it comes to report writing.